Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to use Duolingo, the language learning app that makes learning a new language fun and interactive. In this video, we'll go over the steps you need to take to get started with Duolingo and make the most out of your language learning experience. Step 1. Download the Duolingo app on your phone or tablet. Open the APKPure webpage or app. Simply search for Duolingo and click on the download button to get started. Step 2. Create an account or log in with your existing account. Once you've downloaded the app, you'll need to create an account or log in with your existing account. This will allow you to save your progress and track your achievements as you learn. Step 3. Choose the language you want to learn from the list of available languages. Duolingo offers a wide variety of languages to choose from, including Spanish, French, German, Italian, and many more. Simply select the language you want to learn from the list of available languages to get started. Step 4. Start with the basics by completing the first lesson of the language course. To get started with your language learning journey, it's important to start with the basics. The first lesson of each language course is designed to introduce you to the most essential vocabulary and grammar rules. Complete this lesson to get a solid foundation for your language learning. Step 5. Complete each lesson to unlock new ones and progress through the course. As you complete each lesson, you'll unlock new ones and progress through the course. Each lesson builds upon the previous one, so it's important to complete them in order to fully understand the language. Step 6. Practice regularly to reinforce what you've learned and improve your skills. To truly master a language, it's important to practice regularly. Duolingo offers a variety of practice exercises, including reading, writing, speaking, and listening exercises.
Tú eres María.
Make sure to practice each skill regularly to reinforce what you've learned and improve your skills. Step 7. Use the app's features, such as flashcards and quizzes, to help you memorize vocabulary and grammar rules. Duolingo offers a variety of features to help you memorize vocabulary and grammar rules, including flashcards and quizzes. These features are designed to help you retain what you've learned and apply it in real-life situations. Step 8. Set a daily goal for yourself to keep yourself motivated and on track. Setting a daily goal for yourself can help keep you motivated and on track with your language learning. Duolingo allows you to set a daily goal for how much time you want to spend learning each day. Make sure to set a goal that's challenging but achievable. Step 9. Finish 7 lessons to start competing online. Complete 7 Duolingo-related language courses so that your basic language knowledge will be improved to a certain extent. At the same time, you will unlock leaderboard feature to compare with other learners and participate in challenges to help you improve your skills. Step 10. Keep learning and have fun. Finally, the most important step to using Duolingo is to keep learning and have fun. Learning a new language can be challenging, but Duolingo makes it fun and engaging. Keep practicing regularly, set goals for yourself, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. With Duolingo, you can learn a new language at your own pace and on your own schedule. That's it for this tutorial on how to use Duolingo. We hope you found it helpful and that you're excited to start your language learning journey with Duolingo. Thanks for watching.